The step-by-step Foundation for Education and Cultural Initiatives project towards municipalities with inclusive education supports municipalities on their path towards creation of safe and stimulative learning environments and support systems for students with disabilities. It helped 5 municipalities, Bitola, Veles, Shtip, Resen and Kochani, address obstacles on their path towards inclusive education by gathering data about the inclusiveness and accessibility of the primary schools and their existing practices. Based on data collected, a school was selected in each municipality, where a sensory room was furnished with equipment and aids that enable students to learn and progress together with their peers, which is a key feature of meaningful inclusion. With the creation of these sensory rooms, children experiencing learning difficulties due to their disability were provided with a safe, educational and stimulative space that helps improve their learning experience, resilience and recovery, consisting of a rehabilitation and recreation corner containing selected exercise equipment, exercise mats, balls of various sizes, stationary bike pedals, trampolines, elastic bands, balance discs, twisters, massage rollers and weights for hand and feet, aimed at improving movement and gross motor skills. A sensory stimulation corner equipped with light and bubble tube, fiber optic strands, disco ball with spotlight, musical instruments, concave mirror, tactile objects of various shapes and textures, cubes and tactile panels, all aimed at enhancing external stimuli, establishing communication and exercising fine motor skills. A sensory calming corner equipped with a sitting and reading space, dark room, various construction toys and blocks and other aids that help remove stimuli with the aim of strengthening concentration and anchoring children in the moment. And an educational stimulative corner equipped with various visual and tactile learning aids and writing and learning utensils. These sensory rooms will serve as seeds for inspiration and a model for other schools in the same or nearby municipalities to follow with their own resources, donor funds or contributions from individual or corporate philanthropists to ensure that ultimately all schools are safe and conducive places where all children can learn. All interventions in the project, including the 5 sensory rooms, were made possible with financial support from Germany through the Deutsche Gesellschaft für internationale Zusammenarbeit (GIZ) within the regional project Social Inclusion of Disadvantaged Groups in the Western Balkans. All video materials were filmed in the primary schools Blaže Koneski in Veles, Sveti Kiril i Metodi in Kocani, Mite Bogojevski in Resen, Dame Gruev in Bitola and Goce Delchev in Shtip.